Vision 2030 Jamaica. National Development Plan. Planning for a secure and prosperous future. Popular version.
The audiobook.
I have a vision of what we can be. Come with me. Come with me and you will see.
Our vision for Jamaica. National Vision Statement. Jamaica, the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business.
We call it all youth, every man and woman. Come join in. Vision 2030, Jamaica plan.
The vision. From bustling townships and cities to the airy countryside, we are a people of tremendous God-given talent and potential. Out of diverse hardships, we remain strong and deeply spiritual. Jamaica, an island gem basking in brilliant sunshine, where cool waters cascade from the mountains to the fertile soils of the valleys below.
As a united family at home and abroad, we commit to a vision in which
we ensure equitable access to modern education and training appropriate to the needs of each person and the nation. We provide quality and timely health care for the mental, physical, and emotional well-being of our people. Our children and our children's children can continue to enjoy the unique environmental and cultural treasures of our island home.
We seek out and support the entrepreneurial talents and creativity of our people. We create prosperity through the sustainable use and management of our natural resources. We create and advance national prosperity and security by vigorously seeking, learning, generating, and applying scientific and technological knowledge.
we provide full access to efficient and reliable infrastructure and services. We are the premier destination to visit and do business. We hold to and build on those positive core values and attitudes that have made us distinctly Jamaican.
We resolve conflicts through dialogue and mediation. We treat each other with respect and dignity. We all have a meaningful voice in the decision-making of our country.
We create a safe and secure society. We know our rights and responsibilities and stand equal before the law. Our families contribute positively to the society and nurture, protect, encourage, and support their members.
We especially seek to create a secure future for our vulnerable population in ensuring that
each child has equal opportunity to develop his or her full potential through access to the best care, affection, and protection.
Our youth are empowered to contribute meaningfully in building and strengthening the communities to which they belong.
Our elderly and persons with disabilities are fully integrated within society, have access to appropriate care and support services, and are treated as valuable human resources.
no one falls into or remains in poverty for lack of adequate support.
One love, one heart, one Jamaica.